right, checking out the car out here in the sun. Love the blue. Really pops out here in the sun. So this car does have a clean Carfax on it, but this front bumper has been painted. The hood has been painted. The back bumper has been painted, as well as this little trim right here, the spoiler here, that's been painted. So all of that's been painted. It's not reported to the Carfax. Overall, I think they did a great job on the color. Just walking around the car, the average person is not going to see that. Later in the video, I'll show you inside. I'll point out where you're going to see the little dimples, little imperfections. But the average Joe walking around the car shows and whatnot, no one will ever be able to tell. Got some curb rash on the wheels. That's a pretty easy fix. Convertible top looks good. See, out here in the sun, the colors look really good. Non-smoker, all black interior. Looks good. New tires, 2025 Dayco, not brand new, but recently replaced. That looks good. Perfect driver's car. All right, changing up the lighting here so you can see the blue shifts. Looks a lot better out here than in the photo bay, but like I said, we're going to take her outside too. You can see all the different angles. Like I said, on the hood, you're going to see these marks, little buffing marks, and when they painted it, they kind of sanded down some little areas. So you're going to see the haziness and those kind of swirls there. Nothing a good paint correction can't fix though. That blue though looks really cool. All right, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We have 33,594 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering here, that is just in camera. That is not in person. Car is a non-smoker. Windshield is really clear, nice and clean. All black interior, really cool blue paint. Steering wheel alignment is good. Air conditioning is ice cold, and it is very hot today, over 100. Car shifting nice. No lights on the dash. The convertible top works perfect, no issues there. Alignment feels good. Put it in sport mode. The shifts are perfect, no complaints with drivability. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this does have a clean Carfax report on it, but this front bumper has been painted, that hood has been painted, and then making our way on the back side, the back bumper has been painted, and this piece has been painted. So as we walk around, I'll go into some of that detail. Not sure why or what happened, of course. It may have happened with that first owner. This was a personal lease, and so who knows at what point it got painted. But looking at it, it looks really good. You have to get inches away and really inspect these small things to see it, but I think they did a good job on the color match and the clarity. So most people are not going to see that it's been painted or know. Like I said, that color looks good. But let's check out this front right wheel. You do have some heavy rash right here. You have some little chips there, some light marks. Got the red calipers. Looking at the tires. Date code 2025, so those are fresh. Pilot Sport 4S's. It's a really, really good tire. Got a chip there, a couple little marks. This blue paint is really pretty. The bay doesn't do it justice, so once we get this sucker outside, you'll see it pop. You do have these marks right here on the mirror, a couple more there. Some light fingernail scratches here. You can see those little marks. The door looks good. Here on this lower side, you do have a scratch there. You have film on this little section protecting it from rocks and things like that. So around it, you're gonna get some very light impacts here and there. You're gonna have a couple down there. There is a crease here. It may not show up in camera, but there's a little dent there. Quarter looks good. Like I said, this back bumper has been painted. They did a really good job. Here on this wheel, you have some heavy rash right there. Little scuffs and scratches. Just typical wear. 2025 date code on that tire. Looking at that front end. So if you look right here, you're gonna see those dimples right there, those little craters. So you're gonna see those across the hood. So you can tell it's been painted. And then you're gonna see some DA sanding marks in the clear, just a little bit right there. Some light imperfections, a little bit of orange peel. Like I said, you're gonna see these little dimples every once in a while. It's very subtle. You have to really be inches away. See more dimples in here. If you look right there, you see the little guys. And you have those kind of throughout the hood. You have one right there. And then you can see some kind of marks in here. Now looking at the bumper, here on the bottom, you do have some rash. It's pretty heavy on that corner. And then you're gonna have rash, of course, on this lower side, on this little trim piece. And then you have dimples in here from the repaint. Like I said, you gotta get up close. Gotta really get up close, but full disclosure, when we see anything that's not on the Carfax, it definitely gets notated. You have rash right here. You can see, went all the way through. Got little rock chips, little imperfections like that. That fender looks good. Overall, that wheel looks nice. Little marks here. That pillar looks good. Got some little light marks there. That film looks good. well. That's nice and clean. Looking at this wheel, it is kind of tarnished. So you can see the discoloration on the wheel. It's kind of yellowed. That looks nice. For the most part though, I think that color looks pretty good. This is a little darker, but for the most part, I think it looks good. Like I said, this trim right here, that piece has been painted. You're gonna see little dimples. I can see some DA sanding marks in there. May not show up in camera, and like I said, just walking around this car, you're probably not gonna see that. Taillight looks incredible. Just walking around the bumper, like I said, it's been painted, but looking for any gashes or scuffs or scratches or anything like that after that fact. It's looking good. And then if we look down here, you can see the heavy orange peel. See how that light is very wavy. So you have a lot of orange peel in here. And then you got some dimples, a little trash in the paint is what they call this. See those dimples? But then looking at the reflection here, see how that light is a little bit cleaner. So pretty heavy orange peel on that lower side. I can see some DA sanding marks in here as well. There's some texture and some lines. Like I said, it's not going to show up in camera really, but you can see, see those little marks, the DA marks in here. Color looks good though. I think they did a good job. The rest of that looks nice. All right, checking out the interior. She's a non-smoker, full black leather. Looks incredible, nice and clean. That looks good. Here on this door panel, that upper side looks good. Buttons are clean. A couple little scuffs here. A few little indentions. You have a little rip right there from something hitting it. But other than that, that looks good. Looking at that trim, nice and clean. You have some wear here from getting in and out. Stickers look good. These jams look nice here on that bolster. Overall in great condition. The upper side looks beautiful. Here on the steering wheel, a little bit of shine. Doesn't have that matte finish anymore, but still looks good. I don't see rips and tears and things like that. That looks good, nice and clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. You are missing the cover in here. All right, looking at this door panel. Upper section here, that looks good. Buttons are nice and clean. That looks good. Stitching is clean. Overall, that's in great condition. Bottom looks nice. Typical marks from getting in and out here. Still pretty subtle. You do have a pretty deep gash right there. Edges look nice. That bolster looks good. You do have an indentation there and there. Upper side looks beautiful. Got a little scuff right here. A couple little marks. Lower side looks good. Got some little marks here. Kind of scanning that dash. That looks good. That trim looks good. Seat back nice and clean. All of that looks good. All right, let's look here in the front. Looks good. You got your owner's manual. Looking at all the plastics, those are in great condition. Now looking on the edge, like I said, this hood has been painted. If you look here on the edge, you can see the hard tape line and the clear coat chipping. You can feel that texture. You have some ripples right here, little dimples. There's a lot of trash in the paint on the edge. Now you can't see or feel that when the hood is shut. That's chipping, and then I feel a lot of texture from that kind of hard tape line that they did. So you can see that. Like I said, it's very subtle. You really have to be looking. See those little dimples? Just have them all throughout that lower side mainly. Everything else in here looks good. And then this little weather stripping here is ripped. And then this side is ripped as well. And I can see it cracking further, so I bet it will stop about right there. Good view here. It's the best way to be able to see in here. That looks good. All right, we're gonna look at the top here. Looks good. Got the tempered glass. Looks good. Your typical lines here from when it folds, but no rips or tears. Looks good.